So hello there. Good morning. I hope you are doing wonderful. Um, right now is 11:19 a.m. in Nairobi time, but in New York time, it's 4:19 a.m. So that means we are in London session, and we are actually at the roundup hours. So the London session is about to get done with its work. So what you're seeing right here, let me go back to the daily time frame first of all, so that I give you a good recap. And those of you who are watching my videos without subscribing, please, just just understand that for you to keep up with what I am doing, and for you to um always be alerted, just subscribe to my channel, and you're gonna see how we're moving. Okay. um I love the fact that we are now beginning to get to a bit of a large audience. I love that, and that's what I want to see, because I I know I love what I am doing, and I definitely want to do it for free, and I don't want to charge anybody, and also the big part of it is that I am doing it for my bro. Yep. So I hope you're doing fine and you're having a good Easter. Today is on date 6th of April 2026. I had earlier talked about this level here. This is the daily sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. That means these are fair value gap to the downside. Okay, that's how you know these concepts. There's also the one that you'll see for the upside, and it's this one here, the daily sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. The daily buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. This one here. And sometimes you just have to know, like for example, you see how I am outlining out these here. Give me a minute. You see the low of that candlestick and the high of this candlestick. Those are the levels that I am outlining, and I am using these here. Okay, then I name it out for anyone who doesn't know how that is done. Okay. Um, I want you to observe quite an unusual issue here when you are drawing these PD arrays. Do you see this down close candle here on Monday 30th, that 2026? You see where it closed at? That's a down close candle, okay? And the candle the next, oh, just the next day, that is on Tuesday, 31st March 2026, it was pushed higher from the consequent encroachment of this volume imbalance here. There's a daily volume imbalance. That means this is a new week opening gap. See that outline there? So you're gonna wanna include the volume imbalance when you are drawing these fair value gaps. Now in this case, the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So you have that outline there. Okay. The reason as to why I have also named it as an IFVG is because I wanna see. I talked about how I wanna see how I wanna see price use these PD arrays to deliver lower. So I'm looking for lower prices on gold. So I wanna see how this buy side imbalance will sell side inefficiency will be used as an inversion fair value gap to deliver lower. Um I talked about this area here in my previous video. So you're gonna want to see how price will deliver to when it's, you know, if you wanna really if you wanna short, that's if I wanted to short with a demo account, okay? If I wanted to short with a demo account, bro, I would have waited for price to break below this consequent encroachment here. That's the midpoint of this buy side imbalance, sell side um buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. The consequent encroachment, that's the midpoint there. Wait for price to break down below it and more. Wait for it to use this level here, this level there, there. Wait, let me give you something. See that level there? Wait for it to use that level there, and to indicate that it's strongly bearish. It will not. I don't want to look after prices broke it below this consequent encroachment. I don't want to see candlesticks with bodies closing just above that consequent encroachment. So I want candlestick with their bodies staying just above that, and and you know, delivering straight to the lower side. Okay, so don't be afraid to also use this volume imbalance as an inversion PD array. That means as a premium array, because these all these here can be used as discount arrays. So I'm looking at that because you don't know what price will do. Okay, but I'm talking about what I want to see this week. Okay, I want to see probably a delivery to the downside. So I want to see price breaking below this consequent encroachment using this area here, not this one here, this here, then deliver lower. Same thing happens to this PD array, breaking below it with a body, the consequent encroachment with a body. Okay. So that's the business right there. You also want to grade. You can grade that. You can grade this week here, just for you to understand what you're doing. So you're gonna want to see how price will use this level here. That's that's a premium level if you're gonna deliver lower. Okay, that's in the lower time frame, so you observe that. Um, right now, ah, but this is demo count. Yes, that's a demo count. See that? Mm, beautiful. Let me show you something here. Okay, this is the new week opening up here in blue. See that? Pointed that out. Just a minute. See that new week opening up? You can grade it, and you can see how price use that in the lower time frame. That means from that end here to the to there. You can grade that and see how price use that on the lower time frame, and see how I looked for that entry there. Also this here, you're gonna want to see how price use that to deliver higher. And this is my target here, buy side liquidity. This is a minor buy side liquidity. Um, what I want to see is how price will use these here buy side imbalance, this 1 hour buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency as an ISVG to deliver lower. So just watch out for that. Okay, and this one here. So I'll talk to you later. Have a good time. Thank you for listening. You see, I just put my stop loss just above the entry price. That's called break even. And right now I want to take out some partial. I don't know why I did that. I wanted to take out partial, but it's fine. So you see the levels that I'm having there. See you in New York.